Bah! According to my calculations, pi times x equals puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy. Meow. Puppy. Puppy. Puppy don't want to show his face. Puppy. Sniff the puppy. Puppy. I'm delusional. This is what happens when you take a girl from Hawaii and you put her in a place where she can't speak. She goes delusional. And rain is also the factor. Okay, peace out.